Hi everyone, this is Lina. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will show you some easy, inexpensive home crafts. So here I'm using an old bed sheet. It's for a single bed. It's just a very light material that you can easily buy anywhere, but this one I purchased in IKEA. It was very inexpensive. I think it was about $2.99, and so I've had it for a while. And so here I'm just cutting the bed sheet into strips. So here you can see my long strips, and then I'm going to cut them down to 20 centimeters and pile them all up. So I realized my strips were a little bit too thick, so I cut them again into about 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide and just rip them. Don't need to use the scissors, only to make the first incision. And then I'm just making little loops and looping them onto a Dollar Tree wreath that you can use. This one I just happen to have in hand, but I notice it's identical to the dollar store, so you can use one of those wreaths. And I'm just going to knot them all in onto my metal wreath. As you can see, this is the first layer, and if you can see the empty rings, I will also tie some rags onto there and onto the third ring as well, and then just fluff them up as you go along. One bed sheet for a single bed will do a whole large size wreath, and it will look quite full, and you just keep tying the little rags on until you complete all three rings, and that will be your wreath completely done. So as you can see, my wreath looks really fluffy and full, so don't forget to fluff up those rags. And I decided to wrap some fairy lights around my wreath to make it lovely and Christmassy. And this wreath will be very versatile for the fall or for Easter, anything like that, or just everyday use in your home decor. I didn't have white fairy lights. I only had the black ones at the moment with the black wire, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff up my wreath a little bit more and try and hide some of the black wire. But obviously if you do have white, it will work a lot better and you won't notice the black as much. So this is how it came out. It's a really cute, inexpensive, quite chic looking rag wreath that anybody can make. If you've got any old bed sheets laying around, just cut them into strips, get yourself a Dollar Tree metal wreath, and then you can also do this. It's really inexpensive. And I hope you've been inspired, and if you liked my tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, leave your comments below because I'd be very interested to hear your thoughts on this. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next week for another easy craft. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.